Hi, I'm Anna Wieringa. I'm from SWYFT Solutions. We are a SOLIDWORKS partner and we're here today at GRCC's Lakeshore Campus. We're here for the SOLIDWORKS Technical Summit.
Hey, good to see you all. Thanks for coming out. I feel like it's like a big family reunion here every year. We really look forward to getting together. A little bit about myself. So Stephen Wieringa, SWYFT Solutions. I'm the founder and president of SWYFT Solutions.
Have really big downstream impacts. I'm sure everybody's made a change to a part without realizing that it filters up to a sub-assembly, possibly even 10 different sub-assemblies if it's a library part.
The SOLIDWORKS Technical Summit is an event that is bringing together SOLIDWORKS resellers, users, business leaders, owners, all kinds of different people from around the area and actually all over the US. There are over 25 sessions. Everyone's here today to just learn more about different SOLIDWORKS topics, about data management topics. Some people are speaking about career advancement and all kinds of different things.
So good morning. Thanks everybody for dropping in, talking about limit mates and sub-assemblies. Maybe a little bit more of an advanced, but not necessarily the most advanced dive into it. I've been using SOLIDWORKS for over a decade. Definitely came up with SOLIDWORKS as my I guess most user-friendly, had the most questions about it, but also had the most ability to help people find solutions in SOLIDWORKS.
It's an event that helps people learn, helps people network, and just a really good opportunity to learn more from the people around you.
I was, a student of SOLIDWORKS for several years. I was one of them writing notes in the back and during sessions like this. But there's just an amazing group in this crowd, whether you're a presenter or someone just attending. I love the SOLIDWORKS community. This community is amazing. As you guys know, and that's why you're here, these guys are some of the champions and SOLIDWORKS user group leaders around the world. And if some of these faces look familiar, it's because they're here today. So some of the best are here. Just want you guys to know that. I love this event, something I look forward to every single year. The only thing that I feel like is a downfall of it is we can't do it every single week. So really, if you're looking for chances to learn or chances to grow from others, try and find those mentors. Maybe they're speakers today, pull them aside and say, hey, is it okay if I connect with you after this event? Maybe I've got some follow-up questions or something. Like, lean into that a little bit.
It is sponsored by West Michigan Lakeshore User Group, and they're one of the largest user groups in the US. So lots of people here today. I think in the past we've had up to 200 people at these events. So really exciting for us to be here and participating.
But some of you guys as presenters, it's your first time presenting. You got some nerves maybe. Just want to encourage you a little bit that as you get into that room, you really have an opportunity to coach and mentor into the attendee that's in your session. They're there to absorb what you're sharing with them and really want you to lean into that a little bit today. You never know what something you might say during your presentation might connect with someone in the group that might change the trajectory of their life. Really, if you think about it, you might just be feeling like, hey, I'm sharing a tip or a trick or some cool feature, but that they're gonna take back and change their workflow. Maybe their boss is gonna notice the way that their workflow has changed and the impact and the value that they've provided on their organization.
10 feet away, you look at this group right here and be like, oh, you know what? Similar equipment, probably very similar training. Quite candidly, that's not all that different from these 3D CAD systems that are out there today, right? I don't have to tell this audience right here, you know that the devil is in the details. And it's these small gains that you get that really add up and they make this profound difference across the number of users you have, days, weeks, months, and even years.
With that, I'm excited to have you guys here. Thanks for a minute to talk, and hopefully we can connect later today. Thanks for your time today.